Now I know that this isn't what I usually upload. I didn't want to make this video, but I had to. I just wanted to say that this video right here, the one that I made a cover of, well, the video got blocked. It got blocked in every country of the world. And these right here, I don't even want to say their names. They are the ones that, you know, blocked my video. I I disputed the claim at first, and it said that the claim will be reviewed and that they will take a month to review it, and it says that your dispute wasn't approved. The claimant has reviewed their claim and confirmed it was valid. You may be able to appeal this decision, but if the claimant disagrees with your appeal, you could end up with a strike on your account. So I cannot dispute this claim because if they decide that they won't approve it, my channel will get a strike. Now looking at the music policies over here, it says that if you perform a cover, playback, viewable everywhere except the United States. Advertisings, ads can appear, and although this video is a cover, yet they still blocked the video. And I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll delete this video, maybe I'll leave it up, but no one can view it. Maybe I'll make another one, a one that a one that's different from the original, maybe an acoustic cover, maybe not, I don't know. I'll see about that. So far, this is the video that got blocked. This video got claimed. It says that I have copyrighted content in it. Over here it says that there's music in the game that is copyrighted. However, knowing that game publishers have purchased license to use music in their video games, and me uploading gameplay falls within fair use, but you know, the algorithm sees my video and flags it as having copyrighted content. Maybe I'll file a dispute for this one, maybe not, I don't know. I'll see about that later. You know, it sucks knowing that the video I had worked so hard on is blocked by an algorithm, and the claimant refuses to approve my dispute on the video, saying that it is a cover. I'm not using the actual audio, it is a cover, and yet they still blocked my video. So now I'm asking your help. One way you can help me is by liking my videos, sharing them to your friends and families to make up for this video being blocked. So by sharing my videos to your friends, your families, you help me by giving me views. Some might subscribe, some might not. If you can get some of them to subscribe, that'd be really great for me. Like I said, I didn't want to make this video, but I had to. It sucks having worked so hard on a video and it getting blocked, and you and I aren't able to watch it anymore. The regular video will be up depending on how my internet is. I will try to upload it tonight, maybe 6, 7 o'clock, and By the time you see this, I may have already uploaded the video. Maybe still uploading, I don't know. Anyways, that's the end of this video, and I'll see you on the video that I'll be uploading tonight. Goodbye.